Hello Sugarlights, and welcome to my channel of cake decorating and recipes. Today we are making a steak cake with potato wedges. Here I have a template of the steak that I want to make. This is a 6-inch red velvet cake layer. It's about 1 inch high. Always cut the cake larger than the template. This red velvet cake recipe is on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I am applying some buttercream to stick this cake on the board. So this is just a chunk of steak. I'm now going to taper out the edges and thin out the steak. Proceed to crumb coat your steak. I'm using my white icing. Roll out some brown fondant and cover the cake. Add some texture to your steak. Here I have some white fondant. I'm shaping this into the T-bone of the steak. Add all your texture to your bone as well. This is cocoa powder that I am dusting onto the steak to add shading and depth. However, I did not like this effect, so I changed over to brown gel food color. And I did not like that effect either, so I added a splash of water to my gel food color. and painted that on, and that gave me the effect I was looking for. I used black gel food color with a splash of water added to it to paint on the darker areas. Paint a skewer with your black food gel and imprint it onto your steak. If you have learned something from my tutorial, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more cake decorating tutorials. Here I have my vanilla cake, and we are going to make some cake pops. Add some buttercream to it and crumble it all together. These will be my potato wedges. Form into your desired shape, crumb coat it, and chill it. Let's make some letters. Here I have green fondant and a circle cutter. Add texture to your lettuce. Cover your board first before arranging the lettuce around the steak. I added some shading to the lettuce with some green gel food color. I've used ivory fondant to cover the potato wedges. Cut out your wedges and recover with fondant. To paint the potato wedges, I've used ivory gel food color mixed with a splash of water. Cover and design your cake board. Arrange your cake pop potato wedges with your steak. This cake design serves one. Let's cut into it. Thank you for watching.